Namaskar everyone. Namaskar. Hello Param, Moksha. Good morning everyone. Namaskar बच्चा. Good morning. Namaskar. Hello Dhyan. Good morning बच्चा. Namaskar everyone. Divyanshu. Nice to see you everyone. I know everyone safe and healthy at your home. Namaskar बच्चा. Love you all. Namaskar everyone. I am fine. Thank you. Thank you. I am fine बच्चा. Thank you. Okay everyone. Hello man.
Hi.
Where is my remaining little learners? Yan Trambadia, Cherish, Mahia, Arth Bansal. Ma'am, please, my humble request to Mani's parents, ma'am, please write down there instead of money, you have to mention their earth. Thank you, ma'am, please. Hello, Sampurna. Okay, everyone. So let us start our today's session by prayer to God. Hello, Mahia, look at here. Hello. Sit properly, बच्चा. Okay, everyone. So for the prayer, everyone, how to sit? Hetty, नमस्कार बच्चा. वेरी गुड. हेटी देखो कितने अच्छे से गुड गर्ल बैठ गई. वेरी गुड हेटी. ओके बच्चा. सो फॉर द प्रेयर वी हैव टू सिट straight. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Om Om Om. Sorry. Rub your hands, everyone. Fast, fast, fast. And keep it on your eyes. Apply on your face. Slowly, slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? How do you feel, everyone? Please tell me. Feel you fresh? So show me your thumb. Otherwise not. So down your thumb. Are you feel fresh or not? Good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Babu. Thank you, everyone. So now turn for our today's slok. Happy? Happy यहाँ पर देखना है बच्चा. Thank you. Thank you, parents. Okay, everyone. Now today's turn for this slok. Hattie Parsania. Hattie, are you there? Are you able to hear my voice? Hattie, yes or no? Yes. Are you ready for the today's slok? आपको गुरु ब्रह्मा आता है बेटा? Wait, wait, Hattie, wait. Wait. हेती आपको गुरु ब्रह्मा वाला आता है बच्चा?
Yes. बोलो. Yes.
तो आप वो ट्राई करोगे? श्योर?
Okay.
ओके. एंड आपकी वॉइस रेज करना. ओके, स्टार्ट. गुरु ब्रह्मा विष्णु गुरुदेव
Guru Brahma Tasmai Shri Guru.
Okay, Hetty, let's speak one more time. Speak with me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Hetty, good try for the new slok. Clap for Hetty, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Hetty.
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने थैंक यू बोला है ती, तो आपको क्या बोलना है बच्चा? वेलकम मैम. क्या बोलना है बेटा? गुड. थैंक यू. ओके. So now I'll take attendance, everyone. Please say yes ma'am. Help of the chat box. Okay, everyone. So fast. Arna Jetloja, Ansh Dayani, Arna, Ansh, Arman, Arth Bansal, Bhavya Faladia, Dharmik Faladia, Diya Detroja, Dhyan Jakashania, Dhyan Trambadia, thank you. Divyanshu Pradhan, Harshili Sethi, Harshili, thank you. Hetty Parsania, Jaiveer Singh Jadeja, Jaiveer Singh, thank you. Jairish, Manka Sundra, Mahia, Moksha Kundaria, Moksha Kundaria. Ma'am, Hetty's parent, please mute on self. Param, Purva Detroja, Simonjit, Shreya Thakkar, Shrutanvi Shetty, Shrutanvi, are you there, bachcha? Vihan Dekiwadia, Shrutanvi, are you there? Yes, ma'am. I already took the attendance of Bhavya and Dharmik. Don't worry, ma'am. Vihan Dekiwadia and Vihan Sidodia. Welcome, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Vihan Dekiwadia and Vihan Sidodia. Yaksh Paithani. Both Vihan, are you there? Please write down in the chat box. Yes, ma'am. If you are there, both please write down in the chat box. Yes, ma'am. Vihan Dodia and Vihan Dekiwadia. Sampurna. Kirtiraj Singh. Yes, thank you. Both Vihan absent today. Both Vihan are absent. Okay, no problem. Okay, everyone. So which topic we have to learn yesterday? Can anyone tell me? Please let me know, kids, which topic we have to learn yesterday. Big and small. And I get lots of the picture for the activity from your side. Thank you for doing this lovely activity at your home. Thank you so much, everyone. I collect yesterday itself so many pics, so many activity pics for the big and small. Thank you, parents, cooperative with us. Thank you. And again today, learn new topic. Thank you everyone for your correct answer. Today we have to going to learn new topic. Okay, everyone. So are you all ready for the today's topic? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So now I'll show here some sticks written over there, some number names. And now I'll tell one more thing. Everything has a specific name. सारी चीजों को
One more thing.
who speak? His person yes parent please ma'am. Mute by own self. प्लीज मैम, मैं यहाँ से आपको 2-3 बार म्यूट किया है बट नहीं हो रहे हो आप. थैंक यू. एंड ऑल्सो आरना बच्चा, प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा. विल यू प्लीज टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा? थैंक यू आरना. ओके. एवरीथिंग हैज अ स्पेशल नेम. Like now I'll just show you first this thing is made from the leather, but उसका नाम क्या है, हम उसको कैसे बुलाते हैं? This is a pouch. This is pouch, right? And this is yes scissor. This is the spectacles, right? This one is crayon, right? This one is bench. This is big pouch. This is eraser. This is a scale, right? Everything has special name. सारी चीजों का एक पर्टिकुलर एक स्पेशल नाम होता है, पर्टिकुलर नाम होता है. हम इंसान का भी हमारे नाम होता है, लाइक विहान, चेरिश, राइट? मैं ऐसे बोलूँगी कि चलो मुझे बुलाना है चेरिश को, बट मैं विहान को हाथ लगाऊंगी, राइट? तो ये कैसे समझेगा चेरिश कि तो मैम तो मुझे मतलब मेरा काम है और विहान को क्यों ऐसे ऐसे कर रहे हैं? तो सबका ऐसे जिसका काम होता है, जिसका हम लोगों की जरूरत होती है, उन सबका एक स्पेशल नाम होता है. जो चीज हम लोगों को रिकॉग्नाइज करनी होती है, सबका स्पेशल नाम होता है, राइट? सो टुडे वी हैव टू गोइंग टू लर्न यस विच टॉपिक. आई थिंक नाउ यू गॉट इट. विच टॉपिक वी हैव टू गोइंग टू लर्न टुडे? यस, number name. Very good, Dibyanshu. Very good. So today we have to going to learn yes number name. So on this table I put some candlestick and written over there number name. देखो ये सारे नंबर है हमारे, राइट? 2, 10, 9, 5, 1, 7, 3, 4, 6, राइट? और जो ये लिखा है ना, जस्ट आई जस्ट शो यू 2. तो ये 2 का नाम है, नंबर नेम है. 2 नंबर है, उसका नेम क्या है? TWO2. तो ये नंबर का ये नेम है, नंबर नेम. स्पेलिंग ऑफ द 2, स्पेलिंग ऑफ द 2, नंबर नेम. ओके, समझ में आ गया? ओके एवरीवन. सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट विच नंबर विल बिकम फर्स्ट, विच नंबर नेम विल बिकम फर्स्ट फ्रॉम दिस स्टिक. We should take first which number name? 1. Very good. So where is number name of the 1? Yes, here it is. So first 1 days, and what is the number name of 1? O-N-E, 1. O-N-E, 1. Okay, and then after the 1, which number name will come? 2. Very good everyone. So let's take the stick for the number 2 and put it here. Put it here. 2 TWO2. 2 TWO2. 2 TWO2. After the 2, and one more thing I will tell you. Oh children, whenever we write any number name we should first mention, yes, capital letter, right? You can see here all in all the sticks, first letter, yes, it would be a, yes, capital, and remaining all the letter in, yes, small case, right? So after the 2, yes, 3. So let's take this stick, number name 3 stick. So number 3, then this, what is the number name of the 3? THREE. And one more thing, आपको ऐसा लगे कि मुझे तो ये स्पेलिंग थोड़े से बड़े लग रहे, वैसे आपको बड़े नहीं लगेंगे, because you already learned in LKG section 1 to 30 number name, right? So you knew it very well कि what is the number name of 1 to 10, 11 to 20 and 21 to 30, right? So we can make the group also, right? कि यहाँ पर 3 है, तो first we have to make, yes, 2 letter group, TH, and then 3 letter group. So this is first group, and this and the next is second group, THREE 3, THREE 3, like this. Okay, after the 3, yes, very good. 4. So where is number name of 4? Where is number name of 4? Yes, here it is. So let's take this stick with the number name of 4 and put it here. Yes, 4 with, yes, 4 number name. 4, F-O-U-R, F-O-U-R, F-O-U-R. After that, which number name will become after the 4? Yes, yes, yes. After the 4, after the 4, 5. After the 4, 5. Okay, everyone. So first, we take number name of 5 and then put it here. 5, F-I-V-E, 5, F-I-V-E, 5. After the 5, yes, 6. Okay, everyone. Let's take from number name of 6 sticks and put it here. 6 S-I-X, 6. 6 S-I-X, 6. After the 6, yes, 7. Okay, 7 with number name of 7. Put it here. Okay, so first we mention the number 7, and then what is the number name of 7? S-E-V-E-N, 7, S-E-V-E-N, 7. Very good, everyone. After the 7, which number will become? Yes, of course, 8. Let's take, yes, 8 and put it here. Okay, everyone. So this is number 8, and here is number name of 8, E-I-G-H-T. Again we regroup with two letter, E-I, and then second one is 3 letter, G-H-T, E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Now after the 8, yes, 9. Okay, after the 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. At the last but not least, after the 9, which number will become? After the 9, which number will become? Please let me know, kid, fast. Yes, very good, 10. So we will put it here, 10, number name of 10, T-E-N, 10. Yes, very good. Very good, Jiresh, Shreya. After the 9, 10. Yes, very good, everyone, for your correct answer. Now, turn is number 10. Okay, everyone. So let's recall quickly. This is number 1 and this is number 1 and this is the number name of 1. So 1, and what is the number name of 1? O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. After the 1, yes, 2. So what is the number name of 2? T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Third one is, yes, 3. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. After that, 4. F-O-U-R. 4. After the 4, yes, 5. After the 4, 5. F-I-V-E. S-I-X. 6. After that, 7. What is the number name of 7? Yes, S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. 7. After the 7, 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. And then 10. T-E-N. 10. T-E-N. 10. So, I hope, did you enjoy this activity, yes or no? With number name activity? Are you enjoyed this number name activity? Yes. Okay. So first you can do one more. You can do one thing. Do this activity at your home with any of the things. You can use the paper. You can use the stick. You can use any of your toy also. Right? And write on their name and then arrange in the 1 to 10 number name. Okay? Okay, everyone. Now, any doubt with this activity? Any doubt? Parents, please, any doubt with this number name 1 to 10? No? Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your answer. Thank you, everyone. So, let us start our today's class work, everyone. So, are you ready for today's class work? Yes or no? Are you all ready? My little learners? Where are you all? Okay, everyone. Okay. Thank you. So be ready with your beautiful smile and fresh mind. And take out your, yes, maths textbook, pick a book, take out page number 86. 86. So, we have to mention first on the top, CW, after that today's date. Yesterday was 29, right? Yesterday was 29. So after the 29, which number will become? After the 29, which number will become? And for the, yes, 30, very good. And for the number 30, how many times we get? For the number 10, how many times we get? For the number 10, for the number 30, yes, how many times we get? Yes, very good. Yes, the first we mentioned today's date, then 30 of the June 2021. 2021. After that, which thing we have to mention? Thank you, everyone. 3 tenths. Very good. After that, today's WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. And Wednesday is the third day of the week. Wednesday is third day of the week. Okay, everyone, let's read this heading, number names. Number names. And then trace out the numbers. Trace out the numbers. ये number को आपको first trace out करना है, right? And number names from 1 to 100. या इस पेज में यहाँ पर 1 to 10 लिखा है. And then after that 11 to 20, and then we have to turn all the page and we complete our 1 to 100 number name. Okay, on this page we have to first read all the number name from 1 to 10, and then we have to trace out again from 1 to 10. Okay, everyone, so are you all ready? Shall we start our written portion? Shall we start our written portion? Yes, okay. Thank you. First, ONE1. Then 1 की वैल्यू क्या होती है? सी मैम ने यहाँ पर मेंशन किया है टेंस एंड वंस, राइट, फॉर देयर रेफरेंस, क्योंकि हम लोगों को पता चल जाना चाहिए अब कि कौन सी प्लेस में टेंस आएगा, कौन सी प्लेस में वंस आएगा, राइट। ONE1, TWO2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, 5, FIVE 5, SI8 6, ASEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, and TEN 10. Here I already mentioned their value also. देखो 1 है तो उसकी कितनी वैल्यू होती है, राइट, 1, 2 है उसका 2 सर्कल, मैंने यहाँ पर कितने सर्कल ड्रॉ किए हैं, 2, तो लाइकवाइज 3 है तो उसकी 3rd सर्कल वैल्यू है, राइट। यहाँ पर आप कुछ भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, लाइक का स्टार, स्टैंडिंग लाइन, स्लिपिंग लाइन, सर्कल, वॉट एवर योर चॉइस। ओके एवरीवन, सो फर्स्ट, yes, 7, then 8, EIGHT 8, and then 9, NINE 9, and then T and 10. So let's press first one, and again I'll repeat this thing everyone. We have to write every number name with the first letter in the capital and remaining all the letter in the small case, remaining all the letter in a small case. Okay everyone, so we have to write the first letter, yes, with 3 lines, pink to blue. Okay, ONE1, ONE1. After that, which number will become 2? What is the number name of 2? What is the spelling of 2? TWO2, TWO2. After that, everyone please do with me. Everyone do with me. Do class work every day. Do with me, and your homework with your elders, with your parents. Okay. After that, after 2, which number name will become? After the 2, which number will become? Let me know, kid, fast. Very good, Sampurna. After the 2, 3. So THREE. देखो यहाँ पर मैम ने ग्रुप कर दिए ना. फर्स्ट वन ग्रुप इज द 2 letter TH, and second one is 3 letters THREE, THREE 3. And next one is 4, FOUR, 4, FOUR 4. After the 4, which number name will become? After the 4, 5, FIVE 5, FIVE 5. After the 5, 6, SIX 6, SIX 6. और वन मोर थिंग बेटा, ये हमारे जो नंबर नेम है उसमें हम फोनिक साउंड यूज नहीं करेंगे. दिस नंबर नेम वी हैव टू स्पीक लाइक साइट वर्ड, मतलब जो उसका नेम है उसके हिसाब से ही हम बोलेंगे. हमें यहाँ पर 5 है तो हम ऐसे नहीं बोलेंगे VE, हम ऐसे नहीं साउंड करेंगे, हम उसका ऐसे साउंड करेंगे FIVE 5, राइट. हम उसको फोनिक साउंड थ्रू हम उसका साउंड नहीं करेंगे. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? इज इट क्लियर? यस और नो? यस, ओके, थैंक यू. आफ्टर दैट 7, SEVEN 7, SEVEN 7. After that 8, EI. देखो यहाँ पर भी मैम 2 ग्रुप कर देंगे. फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज EI, सेकेंड वन इज GHT. EIGHT 8, EIGHT 8. Okay everyone. After that, after the 8, which number name will come? After the 8, please give me answer. Dhyan, Hasili, Hati, Mahia, Manjit, Param, श्रेया, श्रिया, अर्थ बंसल, कीर्तिराज सिंह, बेटा आपको भी आंसर देना है। ओके बेटा, आप आंसर दोगे तभी मैम को पता चलेगा कि कीर्तिराज को आता है कि नहीं आता है। ओके बेटा, गॉट इट? आफ्टर द 8, 9, N I N E, 9, N I, thank you ma'am, N I N E, 9, and the last but not least 10। देखो ये स्पेलिंग तो आपके लिए कितना इजी है, ओनली 3 लेटर इन दिस स्पेलिंग, राइट। देखो 3 लेटर वाले 1 2 3 4 स्पेलिंग ऐसे है आपको 3 लेटर के, राइट। वो तो फटफट आपको आ जाएगा इजीली। ओके, नाउ डन योर क्लास वर्क एवरीवन। Any query regarding this number name from 1 to 10? Any query regarding 1 to 10 number? Are you understood this number name? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you everyone for your comment. Thank you parents. Cooperate with every time. Thank you. Okay. So this is your today's class work in page number 86, and your homework is in pick a book, yani writing book. Okay everyone, page number 26, the writing book homework. Yes, and today's date you have to write here 1 to 10 number name, 1 to 10 number name. Okay everyone, now from your class work fast. I hope do you understood today's class work very well and with this small activity. Now show me from your class work everyone fast. और जिन बच्चों का क्लास वर्क मैं देख लूँ वो प्लीज अपना कैमरा टर्न ऑफ कर देंगे ताकि दूसरे बच्चे का हम आसानी से देख ले। वाह हैटी, हैटी वेरी गुड बच्चा, वाह वेरी गुड। संपूर्णा वेरी गुड, thank you. Wow, neat and clean class work, both are. Now turn off your camera both. Now next one is Paramenthia, Arth Bansal, Manjit, Hasili, show me your class work fast. Arna, very good bachcha. Yes, very good beta. Turn off your camera. Now next one is Hasili, Chaivis Singh, Jairis. Please show me your class work fast. Done your class work bachcha? Done your class work please ma'am? Show it to me. Arna, very good bachcha. Arna, turn off your camera beta. Chaivis Singh, Harshili. Yes beta, show me your class work. It's okay beta, done, I knew it, right? But you should show me your class work. Thank you Moksha, very good bachcha. Very good beta. Now remaining student, Arth Bansal, Kirtiraj Singh, please show me your class work. Manjit, Shriya Thakkar. Yes Harshili. बेटा प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा, आप मुझे दिखाई नहीं दे रहे हो। यस मोक्षा, वेरी गुड। मोक्षा, वेरी गुड बच्चा, टर्न ऑफ योर कैमरा। ध्यान त्रांबड़िया एंड ध्यान जकाशनिया। ओके एवरीवन, okay ma'am, so I hope did you enjoy today's class work and small activity. Wow, Harshili, very good beta. Harshili, very good. Arth Bansal, please turn on your camera and show me your class work. Thank you Harshili, please will you please turn off your camera. Thank you Harshili. Okay, thank you everyone. So we will meet tomorrow again with new activity, and till then keep smiling, stay home, stay happy, eat healthy food and keep exercise. Bye, have a nice day. Thank you.